Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of limits. It says, if limit extending to 0 cos 2x plus a cos 4x minus b whole divided upon x to the power 4 is finite, then a plus b is equal to. Now students, since the value of this limit is a finite number, and when I put x as 0 in this limit, the denominator approaches 0. So this clearly indicates that when I put x as 0 in this limit, the numerator must also approach 0. Because only then it will attain 0 by 0 form of the limit and its value may come as a finite number. If suppose the numerator approaches some different value other than 0, then clearly the value of this limit will not be a finite number, which is not possible according to the question. So this clearly means the numerator must approach 0. Now students, when I put x as 0 in the numerator, I get 1 plus a minus b equal to 0. So this implies a minus b equal to minus 1. So this is the first equation. Now since this limit is of the form 0 by 0 and both numerator and denominator are differentiable functions with respect to x, so to solve this limit further, we can use L'Hospital's rule. Now after applying L'Hospital's rule, the limit becomes limit extending to 0 minus 2 sine 2x minus 4a sine 4x whole divided upon 4x cube. Now students, clearly this limit is again of the form 0 by 0 when we put x as 0 in this limit. Now we will again apply L'Hospital's rule. Now we get limit extending to 0 minus 4 cos 2x minus 16a cos 4x whole divided upon 12x square. Now students, when I put x as 0 in this limit, the denominator approaches 0. So clearly the numerator must also approach 0, because only then the value of this limit will be finite. So this implies that minus 4 minus 16a must be equal to 0. So from here we get 16a equal to minus 4, or we get the value of a as minus 1 upon 4. Now students, we will just put this value of a in equation 1 to get the value of b. Now students, from equation 1 we have a minus b equal to minus 1. So when I put a as minus 1 upon 4 in this equation, I get the value of b as minus 1 upon 4 plus 1, which is equal to 3 upon 4. So the value of a plus b becomes minus 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, and this is equal to 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 2. So that means option C is the correct one. Now students, in my tomorrow's video, I will discuss the solution of another question from JEE Main 2025 April session exam. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.